are an energy person. So they are absorbing more and more new knowledge. How do you absorb? I want to put more water in this. Can you put? You say it's full, right? It's tightly packed, but still we can put it. Can we put a sharbat in it and it will still absorb? Yes? Yes, it will still absorb. Can we put anything in this in any different color it will absorb? Yes, it will absorb. So to absorption, what we need, it means making space for everyone to grow. So in this we have to create a space.